Kevin at KRT Wood organized a Secret Santa open to anyone in the woodworking community. And the suggestion was that you make something simple that wouldn't take that long to build. So for mine, I decided to make one of my push sticks. And in fact, what I'm doing is I'm not making one completely. I'm using one of the ones that I made before. And I'm going to add some fancy veneer to the outside to make it look pretty. And this is spalted maple veneer that I cut last year, I think. To fasten it to the plywood core, I'm going to be using wood glue. And to apply even pressure, I'm using these pieces of black foam and cowls on the outside. And I'll just add some clamps to squeeze it tight together and then leave it overnight. Okay, it's the next day already. Take it out of the clamps and give it a quick sanding on both sides before bringing it over to the router table where I have a chamfering bit installed. And what that'll do is it'll cut away the excess and it will also bevel the edge slightly. So I'll do one pass to get rid of the majority of it, and then I'll bring it to the various sanders that I have to make it all nice and smooth and even. And then I'll run it through the router again to clean it up perfectly. I printed out my logo and used lacquer thinner to make the transfer. The final step is to give it a finish, and I opted for boiled linseed oil. I think it really makes the spalted maple look good. So I just poured it on and wiped it in and then wiped off the excess.